Hello, my name is Paul Sandoval. I'm the Parts and Service Director at Toyota Santa Fe. I just wanted to walk you through this. This is our early bird service. If you want to drop off your vehicle and have it serviced where you don't have to come into the dealership while we're closed, you can do that. All you do is pull this down. This is an envelope. You just go ahead and fill out what you need done. Fill out your personal information. Put your keys in there and put it to the slot, and then we'll get it in the morning. We'll go ahead and give you a call, and then we can do all the discussing of what you need done, what it's going to cost, and all that over the phone. This is so if you don't want to come in after hours, you can drop that off. If you do want to come in while we're open, we can also assist you inside the dealership, inside the drive. Thank you guys. We appreciate your business and want you to know we want to keep you safe, and we all want to just be here to serve you.